Today I'm going to show you how to do the sparkling rosé look. Worth every peony for your lid, rose hips don't lie for the crease, rose colored glasses for the corner, and raisin hell to smoke. So first I am going to apply the lid color, which is worth every peony, all the way across the lid up to the fold of the eye. And this is a light shimmering pearlescent pink. Make sure you're packing it on by tap, tap, tapping and going back for more to really show that pearlescent. Switching over to the crease brush with Rose Hips Don't Lie in the fold of the eye. Lighter on the inside, heavier and higher on the outside. And this will keep your eyes a nice rosy tone over using a basic brown in the crease. You can see how it made my eye color pop a little bit more with the pink tones. Rose colored glasses, which is a metallic pinky rosy shade. And this just gives a little bit more color to the eye. It's easy to blend and nice and shimmery. And you know a girl's gotta love herself some shimmer. God, that is so pretty. And make sure when you're doing this tone, you do a nice rose pink lip. The whole thing just flows so nicely together. Now going in with my watercolor liner in pitch black and tapping it right into the root of the lash. This time I'm gonna go a little bit thicker because I want this eye to really have some drama. You can see how I went a little bit thicker on my eyeliner than I normally do, but my eye is really popping. And now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm gonna go in with Raisin Hell and really give it a good smoky dokey. Of course, if this was a day look, you could have stopped at the first 3 colors, but I'm doing more drama for this look, so I'm going heavy in with the Raisin Hell. Okay, so today I made a big fat mess underneath my eye, so very important to use more concealer to clean this mess up. Grabbing the edge of the eyeliner and pulling it up and getting really close to the eye. You can definitely see the difference after I've cleaned it up versus no cleanup. And of course, after the cleanup, do a little bit of eyelash curling and then apply your mascara. We're normally going with the second coat on this since I'm doing a little bit more drama, but so far, take a look. The sparkling rosé look.